Accurex's prefabricated grease duct installs with ease. We've partnered with DuraVent in order to provide their superior quality grease duct alongside the full Accurex kitchen package. Features including pre-installed insulation, self-centering alignment, and extra rigid construction ensures a faster and more secure installation than traditional welded ductwork. While multiple material options, including durable stainless steel or Galvalume, and options for different clearance requirements give you full control over your selection while eliminating welding and time-consuming fire wrapping. All DuraVent prefabricated grease duct is fully UL listed, with a UL 2221 listing for a 2-hour fire rating designed for kitchens demanding low clearance, or a UL 1978 listing, a more cost-effective alternative with single or double-walled duct construction options. In addition to listings, DuraVent prefabricated grease duct features multiple accessory options, such as transitions and adjustable length runs, ensuring the duct is tailored to your space. Prefabricated, factory-built grease duct provides several benefits over traditional field-welded ductwork, from lowered installation costs to reduced delays and inspection complications, keeping the job on schedule. Backed with a limited lifetime warranty, DuraVent Ductwork's superior construction ensures exceptional performance, quality, and efficiency, especially when compared to field-welded solutions. Prefabricated grease duct is simply assembled, with no welding required. This streamlined process gets your ductwork up in a fraction of the time. Its fully tested and listed construction ensures a high-quality duct run that's free of leaks and, because of its round design, easier to clean. Trust Accurex and DuraVent for a safer, efficient duct assembly that stands apart from the competition with a unique centering sleeve designed for increased stability and grease containment. Prefabricated grease duct keeps your kitchen safe while reducing costs, labor, and maintenance.